Alright guys, well, I just got done weed eating, at my mom's like I said it was. There's my dog, see my doggy? Here's my Miss Gracie, there's my baby girl. I'm drinking me some sweet tea. Oh, the sweet tea sounds good. I was just weed eating, weed eating. There's my brother vaping. I'm posting this on YouTube, so. Good old sweet tea. Lipton sweet tea. I think Louisiana's better. Quit. Stop it. I hate him. He's such a dick. I'm watching America's Funniest Home Videos too.
Oh yeah, Sour Patches.
And I just got done weed eating. And
I put a radio on my truck.
yeah, that too. He put a radio on his truck.
It sounds good, don't it?
Yep. So
Wait a
yeah.